Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lori Marabelli, an abstract artist, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about Instagram. For most of you who are already subscribed to my channel, you know that I've recently had a move. I moved to Almonte, Ontario on June 2nd, and I noticed something on my Instagram. I did announce to everybody that I was going to be taking a few weeks off from painting and my day-to-day duties to get prepared for the move. And then once I got to Almonte, I noticed that something happened on my Instagram, and I want to share that with you today. I have a creator account. I think you have to have over 10,000 followers in order to have a creator account. But if you don't have those numbers yet, you can certainly sign on to a business account. It's all free. The business account or the creator account allows you to see behind the scenes where you can see your insights. You can see how many people are following you, how many people have unfollowed you, and what the reach is. It shows you every time you post a reel or a photo, how far that image is going out into the Instagram world. Okay, so first, I just want to stop for 1 second, and I want to share with you all my little office here. I have been working hard to get my new studio set up, but I've also been working hard at trying to get a little space tucked away that I don't have to constantly set up and tear down, because my studio unfortunately isn't big enough to have my YouTube studio in there, my office, and all of those things. I just want my studio to be just painting and nothing else. So I don't have it completely set up, but I do have a few things that I want to show you. So let's do a little pan around at least the clean part of the room. So here I am in my little tiny workspace that I have set up upstairs. I love editing my YouTube videos and working on the marketing side to my art career, but I didn't have a desk. And thanks to Flexispot, I was able to get one of their desks. It's an electrical adjustable standing desk, and I can't express how great this desk is. It was super simple to set up. It's extremely sturdy. There's no shake to it whatsoever. It's got this control here on the left side. Well, I chose to put it on the left side because I'm left-handed. And I already have my presets put in here. And with the simple touch of a button, if I no longer want to sit and edit my YouTube videos, I can press the standing position and the desk goes up. Listen to how quiet this desk is. And just like that, I now have a standing desk that I could use to edit my YouTube videos. I can check my store here and see if anything's going on. And look at that, somebody is shopping on my site right now. With a quick touch of a button, I can change it right back down to a sitting position desk. So if you're interested in a desk like this, I'm going to put the link down in the description below, and you can get your own desk if you are working at home. If you are in the market for a really good electric adjustable standing desk, Flexispot has the desk for you. All right, let's get back to Instagram. My first mistake was that I think I'm crooked. Am I crooked? Maybe that's better. So I announced to everybody, my first mistake, that I was going to be taking a few weeks off to get set for my move here to Almonte. By the time I got to Almonte, I normally, just to give you an idea, I normally get 100,000 reach daily plus. So it can fluctuate between, let's say 95,000 to 120,000 a day. By the time I got to Almonte, I had dropped down to 55,000 in my reach. That was like, it was cut in half. I started to panic a little, thinking, oh my gosh, I just left the GTA, which is the Greater Toronto Area. I have moved to the country in the middle of nowhere, and I am gonna lose traction, and we just got a big breeze. Gotta love the farm. Either that or it was somebody in the house not liking me doing a YouTube video in this room. Okay, I know, puppy got scared. Okay, puppy got scared. Here's my puppy. So I was a little bit worried that I was gonna have to get a day job again. But thankfully, I really worked hard to ensure that I was posting every day, again at 8 in the morning and at noon, and I was trying to paint up a storm. I wasn't quite done setting up and unpacking everything yet, but I knew that I needed to start creating new content, which for me relates to painting new paintings, and that I could post some fresh stuff on my feed. And it is now what? Today is July 1st, and today finally my insights, my reach has gone back up to, I think it's 105,000 today. So that took me almost 4 weeks to get back to my normal functioning Instagram. Okay, puppy. Okay, puppy, you're okay. So I know I talked about this before on how important it is to be consistent on your Instagram. And I try really hard to be consistent where I'm constantly uploading at least twice a day, commenting on everybody else's comments that they leave for me, and also commenting on other people's feeds as well. But during that time when I was moving, I just couldn't manage everything. I mean, as you know, I had to drop YouTube channel for my own mental sanity. I really just wanted to focus on getting myself packed and ready to move here. But that was the side effect of not keeping up the same pace that I normally do. The algorithm of Instagram instantly noticed that my interaction with the app had, I probably cut myself down in half. And as a result, Instagram did the same thing to me. And so I really hope that you take this information, and if you are serious about growing your Instagram following, you have to be consistent. And so pre-plan, try and think ahead. If you are gonna go on vacation, take extra photos before you actually leave for vacation so that while you're away, you still have time to post and interact and do all of those things. Just take 10 minutes out of your day, morning and afternoon, to keep up with the same pace that you normally do. If you can't do it, like how I couldn't do it, that's okay too, because within about 4 weeks' time, you should get back to where you were before you had to take a break. I also hope that you enjoyed this little tiny mini tour of my new office. I feel like a grown-up even though I am officially going to be a grown-up come September. Hopefully next week I'm going to do a stretching video for everybody. I know so many of you have asked for me to do one, and now that I have this room set up more or less, I think this is going to be a great space with white walls and not a ton of windows, with good light, that I'll be able to get and capture a really good video on showing you guys how to stretch. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next week.